Hey guys, what's up? Today on this 2015 Nissan Murano, we're going to be upgrading the cargo light, going from the factory incandescent bulb to an LED, and we're going to replace those with these bulbs. We're going to go from this to this, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. First, we're going to remove the housing. To do so, you can actually just use your fingernails to pry out the housing, or if you're more comfortable with a trim remover, you might be able to use that too. With the wiring exposed, press down on this tab and you can move the housing to the right to unplug it. With the housing removed, you might notice that it might be a little bit warm if the light has been on for a while, so you might want to give it a couple of minutes. I do have some gloves to prevent the oils from my fingers from making contact with the bulb. We're going to take the housing apart and we're going to unlock these 4 tabs by pulling them out slightly. That way the backing can come off. To remove the bulb, push these contacts apart and the bulb will come right off. Then take the new LED bulb and install them between the contacts. The fit is a bit snug, but as you can see, the bulb is securely in place. Make sure that the LEDs are facing the right way. You don't want them facing towards the back of the housing, which is the opaque part. You want them facing the translucent part, which shines out through the front. Put the housing back on. Next, we're going to connect it all back. You want to line up the tab so that it faces the back of the housing. It's okay if the light doesn't turn back on. The car may have turned it off after a while to save power. And then to trigger the light, simply just open one of the doors. And wow, look at that difference in lighting. Again, here's the before and after. Both shots having the same camera settings. Man, I should have just done this a long time ago since it's such an easy swap. All you gotta do is just buy the right bulb size. Anyway, that brings us to the conclusion of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next video.